Here is a early to mid 80s Murray Fiess banana fan spinner that I got from Chandrew from Fanimation. I want to say probably the last previous one we had. The blades are not original. I wanted stencil because the plane looked too bland. But I think it comes out to about 50 inches if it was measured right. But anyways, we'll start off on low. Very hummy. And the glass makes it even more hummy. And it is installed in the office. Before this was a SMC Emperor. There was two of them in this room. Go to medium. Oops. Pointing at the freaking wall. Oh, the blades came off of a 48-inch a CC Georgian. I still have that fan. I'll go to high. Okay, we'll go to off. Now, I don't do spin downs hardly anymore because it takes probably about an hour to upload a 3-minute video. And if I did spin down on most of my fans, it'd probably turn out to be about 2.5 to 3 hours for a 3 to 4 minute video. Or 4 to 5 minute, depending on how long. But anyway, that's it, and until next time.